Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find deleted search history on Safari, and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you will find this video useful. Now, once you are on Safari, you want to go ahead and click those that book icon, and here you will see your favorites and so on and so forth, and you want to click this history button. Here you will see all of your history from here, and not only the tabs of Safari. So you may go ahead and find it here on your search history, those tabs which you want to go ahead and look at if they haven't been cleared. Now, if you don't find it here, go to your settings right there, click on your name at the top. And now you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on iCloud. On iCloud, basically, we need to check if it was backed up back to the iCloud. So on apps using iCloud, click on Show All. And here you may find Safari. As you can see, it's enabled for me. So you may want to check on your other devices with your iCloud. So maybe you have a MacBook or another iPhone where you have connected, or iPad, where you have connected the same iCloud, and maybe you will find that history on Safari there. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you find it. If this video was useful, please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.